Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to tackle something that can be a real headache for English learners. Phrasal verbs. I know. Just hearing the term can make you want to give up. But wait, that's a phrasal verb right there. See? You're already using them. The problem is that textbooks often teach you hundreds of them and you end up forgetting most. So today, we're cutting through the noise. We're going to focus on just 5 super common everyday phrasal verbs that you will actually use. I'm not just going to give you definitions, I'm going to show you how they work in real-life situations, so you can start using them confidently right away. Are you ready? Let's dive in. Our first phrasal verb is run into. Now, this doesn't mean physically running and crashing into a wall. Run into means to meet someone unexpectedly. It's that surprise encounter when you're out and about. Imagine you're at the grocery store, just trying to decide between whole milk and almond milk, and suddenly you see your old friend from college in the same aisle. You'd say, "You won't believe who I ran into at the supermarket today. It was Sarah. We haven't seen each other in years." Let's put it in another context. Maybe you're telling your partner about your day. "I was walking to the coffee shop and I ran into my old boss. It was a bit awkward, but we had a nice chat." It's perfect for those unplanned meetings. So next time you unexpectedly see someone you know, you can say you ran into them. It sounds so much more natural than saying, "I met them by chance." Try it out. Moving on to number 2, put off. This is one I think we can all relate to. To put off something means to postpone it, to delay doing it until a later time. It's the official phrasal verb of procrastination. We all have things we don't want to do, right? That pile of laundry, that important email, studying for that exam. For example, you might say, "I really need to do my taxes, but I keep putting it off. I'll do it next weekend." Or maybe your friend asks if you want to go to the gym. You could reply, "Ugh, I'm so tired. Can we put it off until tomorrow?" It's also used in more formal situations. For example, the meeting has been put off until Friday because the manager is sick. So if you're delaying something, you're putting it off. Let's be honest, we all put things off sometimes. What's something you've been putting off recently? Let me know in the comments. All right, let's get to our third phrasal verb, look forward to. This one is fantastic because it's all about positive anticipation. When you look forward to something, it means you are excited and happy about a future event. It carries a really warm and enthusiastic feeling. You can use it for big events or small pleasures. For instance, "I'm really looking forward to my vacation next month. I can't wait to just relax on the beach." Or on a smaller scale, after a long day at work, you might think to yourself, "I'm looking forward to getting home and watching my favorite show." It's also incredibly useful and polite in emails. You can end a message with, "I look forward to hearing from you," or "I look forward to meeting you next week." It shows you're engaged and optimistic. So, what are you looking forward to? A birthday? A movie release? Using this phrase will make your English sound much more friendly and positive. Number 4 on our list is get along with. This phrasal verb is all about relationships and how well you interact with people. If you get along with someone, it means you have a friendly, harmonious relationship with them. You like each other and you don't have arguments. For example, you could be talking about your colleagues. "Luckily, I get along with everyone in my office. It makes the workday so much more pleasant." The opposite is also true. If you don't have a good relationship with someone, you can say, "My sister and I didn't get along when we were kids, but we're best friends now." It's also common to ask questions with it like, "How do you get along with your new roommate?" It's a key phrase for describing social dynamics at work, in your family, or among friends. Having people you get along with makes life so much better, doesn't it? And finally, our 5th phrasal verb for today is figure out. This is a powerful one you'll use constantly. Figure out means to understand something or to find a solution to a problem, often after some thought or effort. It's that aha moment when the light bulb goes on in your head. For instance, if you're struggling with a math problem, you might say, "This is so confusing, but I'm determined to figure it out." Or maybe you're assembling furniture from IKEA. A very common sentence would be, "I can't figure out how these pieces fit together. Let me look at the instructions again." It's not just for problems. It can also be about understanding people or situations. "I can't figure out why he's so upset. He seemed fine this morning." It implies a process of thinking and solving. So, anytime you need to solve a puzzle, understand a concept, or find an answer, you are trying to figure it out. So, let's do a quick recap. We learned 5 amazing phrasal verbs that you can start using today. 1. Run into, for meeting someone unexpectedly. I ran into my teacher at the mall. 2. Put off, for postponing or delaying something. Don't put off your homework. 3. Look forward to, for being excited about a future event. I'm looking forward to the weekend. 4. Get along with, for having a good relationship with someone. I get along with my neighbors. And 5. Figure out, for understanding or solving something. I need to figure out how to use this new app. My challenge for you is to try and use at least one of these phrasal verbs today. The more you use them, the more natural they'll become. Write a sentence in the comments below using one of these phrasal verbs. I'd love to see your examples. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this lesson helpful. Learning a language is a journey, and every little step forward is a victory. If you enjoyed this video and want more practical English lessons, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.